Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe and join the great family. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos. So I'm here today with another amazing video using mango leaves for faster weight and egg production. Mango leaves for poultry. So today I want us to discuss the benefits of mango leaves and how I prepare it and how often can we give mango leaves to our chicken. So before then, the number one benefit is that it boosts the immunity of our chicken, which makes your chicken to be in good health always. We are saying bye-bye to poultry sicknesses and diseases. Another benefit is that it also boosts the growth of our chicken, especially if you are into broiler farming. You can be rest assured that within 6 weeks, your broiler chicken has the required weight, which means every 6 weeks you'll be taking your broilers to the market and you are going to be making good profit. It also contains calcium, which is important for bone development and eggshell formation. So mango leaves have so many benefits to our chicken. Another benefit of this mango leaves is that it contains magnesium, which is important for muscle function, energy production, and bone health in our poultry farms. There are so many benefits. So why not try mango leaves and see the result yourself? So this is how we are going to prepare mango leaves. We have 3 ways of preparing mango leaves. You can choose to chop them, that's the fresh leaves. As you can see, you can choose to chop the fresh leaves and then serve it to them directly. Another one again, you can choose to serve them as juice. That's by using the matured leaves by either pounding or blending. So this method I'm using here, this first method here, is I'm going to chop the fresh leaves and serve it to them. You have to wash it properly. This is how you are going to prepare it. This is the fresh leaves. So it's always advisable to give prevention. Prevention is better than cure. So it's always good to give them for prevention than to say you want to treat them. Don't allow them to fall sick before you can now start treating them. So I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces. So this is the first method here, by chopping the fresh leaves into smaller pieces, and then you can serve it directly to them this way. So you can serve it to them directly this way. The second method that I'm going to use now is by pounding the leaves. After washing the mango leaves properly, and then you are going to do it this way. So if you have a blender, you can still blend. If you don't have a blender, you can use this method. That's by pounding the leaves. And another thing is that you may have a blender, but the electric supply may be so challenging. So this is the second method here, by pounding it. So this is the second method I'm doing. I'm pounding it. And another method that another method is by making it into powder. That's by drying the mango leaves under the shade. By drying it, when it's dry, then you grind it into powder. You grind it into powder. So I'm done pounding. Remember, these are fresh leaves that we just pounded. So I'm going to add just 1 liter of water. Just 1 liter of water. And this is for 20 liters. This mixture is for 20 liters. Now I'm going to pour the mango juice into 20 liters of water. So I'm going to sieve it. So mango leaf juice is ready for my chicken. I'm going to serve them now. So this is what I do first thing in the morning for 3 days, which means if I'm giving them 3 days in a week, if I'm giving them this week, I'll skip another week, then another week I start again. I used to give them first thing in the morning and then continue with fresh water until another day. This is just in the morning. They will take mango juice only in the morning and then continue with fresh water. So for those that want to try the third method, as I earlier said, the third method is the one that you pluck your mango leaves, dry them, pound them into powder, and then you pound them into powder. And the dose you can use for powder method is 5 gram for every 1 kilogram of feeds. So my birds are enjoying their mango leaves juice.